Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git is installed and you're signed into GitHub. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, open the repository in your browser or run git clone with the repo URL to get a local copy. Then create or switch to a working branch using git checkout bname so you isolate changes. Make sure to pick a clear branch name. These initial steps let you edit files safely without affecting main or production branches. Now edit the files in your code editor. Focus on one logical change per commit so history stays clear. Once edits are ready, stage them with git add for specific files or git add. To include all updated files, avoid adding unrelated changes. Next, commit using git commitm with a concise message describing the what and why. Push your branch to GitHub with git push origin branch name. This sequence tracks intent and enables easy review by collaborators. Finally, open a pull request from your branch to the target branch on GitHub and assign reviewers so changes get reviewed. If reviewers request changes, edit files locally, commit, and push. The PR updates automatically. Once approved and checks pass, merge the PR using the preferred method, merge, squash, or rebase, and then delete the branch to keep the repo tidy. Troubleshooting tip: if merge conflicts occur, pull the latest target branch. Resolve conflicts locally, then commit and push to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.